In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gift card and add a new customer to your Shopify store with ease. Whether you're looking to enhance customer loyalty or simply offer more flexibility in purchasing, creating gift cards is a fantastic option for your business. Let's begin by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. This is your central hub where everything is managed, and from here, we'll get started on creating those gift cards. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll notice a menu with several options. Find and click on Products. This is where all your product management takes place, including anything related to gift cards. A submenu will appear once you click on Products. Look for the option labeled Gift Cards and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the gift card section where the magic happens. On this page, you will see a space to input the gift card details, like its code and initial value. These details are crucial as they define the gift card's identity and what it's worth. If you want to offer different amounts, ensure you input these details correctly. Additionally, you have the option to set an expiration date. You can choose a specific time frame or decide to have no expiration date at all. Consider your audience and what might work best for them. For instance, not having an expiration date might appeal to gift givers who enjoy flexibility. Now that you understand the layout, go ahead and create your desired gift card by filling in the necessary details. Once your gift card is all set up, the next step is associating it with a customer. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see the option to search or create customer. For this tutorial, let's learn how to create a new customer. Click on the Create a Customer button. You will need to input some basic customer information, such as their first name, last name, and either their email address or phone number. This information is important as it will help you manage your customer relationships and communication effectively. Once you've entered all the required details, make sure to click the Save button. Finally, after you've completed all previous steps and ensured everything is correct, go ahead and click Save at the top. This action will finalize the creation of your gift card and customer profile. And there you have it. You're all set with a newly created gift card and a fresh customer added to your store. This addition can vastly improve customer satisfaction and offer them even more convenience. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I wish you great success with your Shopify store.